Hello everyone, today I am making a video on this today on CoWIN portal through which everyone says we have to register and we have to schedule here. So the actual reality of this website I am showing you today. Here it is showing largest vaccination drive, and I have already registered. After register I am here, and here you have to put the state and district. For now I have selected the largest city of West Bengal, that is Kolkata, and its search is going on. Yes, so you can see that most of them are blocked. You can see one slot of Covishield is available in Amri Med Center. Amri all booked, and rest of the days are seen showing NA. See, all booked, all Covishield, no other vaccine. You can see here the option is there that it will show three vaccines, that is Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik V, but only Covishield is being shown here. You can see all booked. NA means in news channel it has been showing that people are giving line, they are fighting for the vaccine, and this is the real condition of the app. How many people have the possibilities to fight like this? No middle class people will be able to take vaccine in this through CoWIN app, in at least in my state. I can see that all booked. If you see for the next tweet also, from the 12th June, you can see all booked, whereas our government says we have enough vaccines and all, and only 2 centers for the next, only 2 centers. Okay, now let me change the district. I will take it to Darjeeling district and search. No vaccination center available. Wow, excellent. Here I can see only some are there, all booked for today, and all that there's NA. Wow, if I want to book from tomorrow, for tomorrow it's also in NA, and again when I will open tomorrow it will show 6 June all booked. So what the hell is going on this CoWIN app? If I call a hospital, they will show they will say that book from CoWIN app, and what the hell is going on? It shows book, and whereas in the app they show that 70,000 people are vaccinated in West Bengal today. You can see this is of West Bengal data. You can see this is West Bengal, and yesterday total, just a second, yes, total 2 lakh vaccines were being administered in West Bengal yesterday. 2 lakh. Then how this 2 lakh came? If all this book means, what the hell is going with this CoWIN app? Means just a middle class people, they can't even register and go like just normally in through this CoWIN app. If they are rich, they will do by a black way or backdoor way, or in the or some people who want to take the vaccine, they have to go to the center and they have to give a line from the morning else or from the before day night. And this is the reality of this CoWIN app, which is just a useless website for us. No use. Thank you. This was just the information, so that you get the understand that if you have not taken the vaccine and you want to take, and you are in the hope that you will register in the CoWIN, and easily you will register and schedule your appointment, but it is not at all possible now. I don't know, the government are shouting that enough vaccines are available, but actually it is not. Just the information video. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.